Which of these AI videos would you be able to make yourself?
Everyone's panicking about AI replacing 80% of marketing teams. But what if I told you this frightening statistic completely misses what's actually happening in our industry?
Well, if you guessed both, then you're right. But did you also guess that you could make them both in under 2 minutes? Hi, I'm Sahil, founder of DeepReel, and I'm excited to introduce you to our AI video Genie, the first AI video agent that can generate fully edited videos for you in minutes. Let me show you exactly how it works. If you're a startup founder who wants to build a presence on social media, you can use DeepReel to make videos in the style of famous influencers. Let's make a video on why every founder should be creating video content in 2025. We write the topic, no prompt engineering required here, add any specific instructions, then select the language, choose the avatar, and our AI video Genie does the rest for you. It writes this complete script, finds the right visuals, adds music, captions, and edits the video, all automatically. Here's the video it created.
In 2025, if you're a founder who's not creating content, you're literally leaving money on the table. Research shows founders who create content generate 67% more leads than those who don't. Let me explain why this matters more than ever. The digital landscape is shifting dramatically. Algorithms now prioritize creator-led content over branded messages. And here's what's fascinating. 64% of B2B buyers say a company's thought leadership content significantly impacts their purchasing decisions. When you share your journey, challenges, and insights as a founder, you're not just marketing, you're building trust while creating valuable SEO assets. This approach dramatically reduces customer acquisition costs as your organic reach builds over time. In an AI-dominated content world, your authentic founder voice cuts through the noise. Your personal perspectives, experiences, and insights are your ultimate competitive advantage that nobody can replicate. Start creating content today.
This is fantastic, and it gets you 90% of the way there. Now, you can review and finalize the video easily. Tweak the script, swap out visuals, change music, adjust captions, and add your logo. But unlike traditional video editing software with complex interface, this is designed for people with zero video editing experience. The entire process from idea to video can be done within 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's see how DeepReel helps busy marketers. Imagine you're a content marketer at Google DeepMind. You currently write blog posts about all the amazing research, but you don't have an easy way of making videos. DeepReel's blog to video feature is here to help. Let's use this mind-bending blog post and paste the URL into DeepReel. Choose your video settings and watch how DeepReel reads the entire blog, extracts key insights, and transforms complex quantum computing blog into simple, engaging script.
What if I told you we just revolutionized quantum computing by using something as simple as colors? We've been trying to build powerful quantum computers for years, but there's always been one massive problem: errors. Until now, we've just successfully implemented something called color codes, a breakthrough that makes quantum computers more efficient and powerful than ever before.
See how it intelligently uses images from the original blog post as supporting visuals in the video? Within minutes, you have a professional video ready to share across YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. What would normally take a content team hours or days, DeepReel does in minutes, automatically. So who is DeepReel for? It's perfect for founders who need to build a presence on social media, but don't have the time or resources for video production. It's ideal for busy marketers who want to scale their video content creation, especially those who write blog posts but don't have the bandwidth or resources for making videos. Whether you're explaining complex fintech products, sharing legal insights, or building your personal brand as an entrepreneur, DeepReel gives you the superpowers to create videos simply and affordably. So stop wasting hours on video production and start generating professional-looking videos with DeepReel today.